Assalamualaikum and good evening. So for our CSC presentation, our group are doing the hotel booking system. The purpose of the hotel booking system is a software that allows customer to reserve rooms online or through a computerized system, which it simplifies the booking process for both hotel staff and customers. So before we start, let's go through for the group members. Our group members contains 4 people, which is me, Akmal Dinis bin Muhammad Yunus, Aziluddin Hairi, Amirul Hazi, and Muhammad Shakir bin Cisakri. So let's go through into the introduction.
Now, I would like to explain about the introduction of our project. Firstly, our system was developed using C++, which is applying key concepts, for example, functions, arrays, and also loops. Besides, our system is designed to be user-friendly, even for those with minimal technical experience. Our system also responds to the increasing need for automated and also seamless hotel booking services. Furthermore, our system allows customers to choose room type, select number of nights, and also pick a buffet package. Our system also will calculate total bill and generate a receipt. This can save time and simplify the process for both hotel staff and also customers. Now, I would like to explain about objectives of this project. First, to develop a simple and functional hotel booking system using the C++ programming language that enables staff and customers to check room availability, make bookings, and view booking details through a console-based interface. Second, to apply basic programming concepts in C++, for instance, variables, control structures, arrays, functions, and file handling in the design and implementation of the hotel booking system. Third, to provide a user-friendly system that helps to reduce the need for manual record keeping and minimize errors. For example, double bookings or incorrect data entries. Fourth, to simulate a real-world hotel management environment where both hotel staff as well as customers can use the system efficiently to manage reservations and customer data. Lastly, to strengthen teamwork and collaboration among group mates by working together to design, code, test, and debug the system while enhancing our skills in problem solving as well as programming.
Before we develop our hotel booking system, there is a few problems that we face. So we want to solve it by developing our new system. First of all, our we tend to face our manual booking issues, like the current booking process is very slow and takes times, so there is a high chances of mistakes like wrong dates or missing details. This also increased chances of human errors. Sometimes our staff forget to write down important booking info, so our staff tends to overlook and misrecord it. So this can lead to unhappy customers if bookings are not recorded properly. Next, we have a lack of real-time availability. Customers cannot check their room availability instantly. They need to call or message the hotel to make a booking. They also have to wait for our confirmation, which can lead to frustration. This process is not convenient as they may cause our customers to go elsewhere and find other hotel. And next, we found that our data handling also have many problem. Saving data manually can lead to lost information, when before this, we use a paper base, so that this will tends to unorganized digital records. This and we found that the data of our customer can be misplaced and corrupted. So that's how we want to avoid that kind of problem. And from the customer point of view, it's hard for them to track the availability of the room or maybe the date. So this can cause the customer to not booking in our hotel. And maybe from our staff perspective, the old system is hard to check customer booking history and reference. When our regular customer come to book again, we actually can look back of their booking history and reference. So that's all.
Hi, so back to me for the flowchart. So I will explain how our flowchart works with the hotel booking system. So the first is we are going to declare the room names in array room types, which is there are three types of room, which is basic room, deluxe room, and suite rooms. And the room rates we also declared in array as a room types, which is the price is 100 a night, 180, and 250 a night. Then the program will read the booker name, the booker phone number, and it will read the how many rooms they want to book. And then the program will initialize I equal to 0 while I less than number of rooms. So if it's true, it will display the booking and it will ask the user to choose the room types. And when j equal to 0, as j less than room types, it will display the room names and the room rates. So it will return the looping, and as if go to false, it will read the bookings and the room type, and after that it will it will determine the bookings room type less than 1 or the bookings room type more than room types. If it false, then it will display try again, and if it's true, it will read bookings nights. So user will enter how many of nights for the user. So user will enter any number of night they want to stay in the hotel. After that, the user will enter the breakfast choice. If the breakfast choice of BF choice is equal 1, it will consider as user want to want a breakfast buffet. If 2, user wants a lunch buffet, and if it's 3, it's a dinner buffet for the user. So as the user enter the type of buffet, either breakfast, lunch, or dinner, then the counter will +1. So while the counter is less than number of rooms, it will repeat until it falls. When it falls, it will come to the receipt. So in the receipts, it will display the booker name and number phone. And then we initialize I as a 0 while I is less than number of rooms. If it's true, then we will calculate the cost of each rooms. Then it will display room names, nights, buffet type, and cost. And it will update the counter until all the book rooms is calculate the details, the buffet breakfast, the type of room, and the cost. Once the condition is false in the I less than number rooms, then it will display the total and the program will stop. That's it, the simplified of our flowchart for hotel room booking system. So thank you. We will move to the demonstration.
Okay, so today I will demonstrate our coding. So let's start. So this is the user-friendly statement which that we will see when we run the coding. So the program asked me to fill in my name, and the program asked me to fill my phone number also. Then the program asked how many rooms would you like to book. Then I will put 2 just to make it easy. Then the first booking, the program asked to choose my room type. So there is 3 choices, which is 1, 2, and 3. Then I will put 2. Then the number of night I will put 2 only. So then it will appear the choices of free buffet options. Same like before, we need to put 1, 2, or 3 only. Then this is the second, what do we call it? The second room that we want to book. Second choices. So same as like before, we need to put input 1, 2, 3. Then the number of night is 2. The buffet selection is 3. Then this will be the output or the receipt of our booking. Then I will demonstrate the wrong input, which is maybe we will input the negative numbers, or we type of a character when they ask us to input the number. So let's see. Okay. So same as before, I need to fill in my name and phone numbers. Then how many rooms that I want to book is 2. Okay, let's say here we only have 3 choices, which is 1, 2, or 3. What if I put number 4? Okay, it will appear invalid input. Please try again. So, okay, let's run it. Okay, 2. So it is valid because it is in the range of selections. And then enter number of nights, which is 2. Then it will appear the selection of free buffet. Just okay, for the second booking, which is the second room that you want to book, what if I put the negative number? Okay, so it will appear same like before, invalid input. Let's try again. Then what if I type E? Same like before, it will appear invalid input. Please try again. So let's do this until finish. So same like before, this is the receipt or output of our program.